Let's explore the element that has 14 protons in its nucleus. This element is silicon with the chemical symbol C. Let's visualize a silicon atom. At the center, we have the nucleus containing 14 protons, shown in red, and typically 14 neutrons, shown in blue. Around the nucleus, we have 14 electrons arranged in 3 electron shells. Let's look at how these 14 electrons are arranged. The first shell, or K shell, can hold 2 electrons. The second shell, or L shell, can hold 8 electrons. And the third shell, or M shell, has 4 electrons. This gives silicon its electron configuration of 284. Silicon is located in period 3, group 14 of the periodic table. As a semiconductor, it's crucial for electronics and solar cells. Its electron configuration makes it perfect for forming 4 covalent bonds. So to summarize, silicon has 14 protons, making it element number 14 on the periodic table. Its electron configuration of 284 gives it unique properties that make it one of the most important elements in modern technology.